Sub 250-gram drones were never supposed to compete with cameras 3 times their weight, and yet here we are. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is now the center of some of the most aggressive drone leaks we've seen in years, and enough details have piled up that this no longer feels like a stretch. This is DJI's ultra-lightweight flagship line, the one built to stay under the weight limit that skips a lot of drone registration headaches, and it's had a habit of punching way above its size. The end of this video, you'll know the camera rumors, the flight upgrades, and the one combination of features that could genuinely change who this drone is built for. And it starts with the sensor rumor that honestly sounds a little unfair for something this small. The DJI Mini 5 Pro already surprised people by packing in a full 1-inch sensor, which is already impressive for its weight class. But the chatter around the DJI Mini 6 Pro points to something more specific, a stacked 1-inch sensor. And that's not just a spec sheet upgrade. A normal sensor reads image data line by line, so anything moving fast in frame can cause that wobbly jello effect you've probably seen in quick pans. A stacked sensor reads almost the entire frame at once, which reportedly means dramatically less rolling shutter and cleaner footage even during aggressive flying. This is the kind of sensor tech usually reserved for DJI's bigger Mavic-class drones, not something meant to disappear into a jacket pocket. Right alongside the sensor talk is a rumored mechanical variable aperture, which sounds boring until you realize what it actually fixes. Instead of landing to screw on an ND filter every time the light shifts, pilots could reportedly adjust exposure electronically mid-flight, which matters a lot if you've ever tried shooting a sunset transition. Pair that with rumors of true 6K recording at 30 and 60 frames per second, and editors get real room to crop, reframe, and stabilize shots after the fact. Tracking is also expected to take a leap, with early chatter pointing to smarter subject recognition and steadier tracking through fast direction changes, the exact moment older systems tend to lose the plot. If the DJI Mini 6 Pro delivers on even half of this, it stops being a fun mini drone and starts being a genuine production tool. Underneath the camera talk are a handful of quieter rumors that pilots will actually feel every single flight. Reports suggest DJI may be bringing laser-based obstacle sensing down into this line, which stays reliable in tricky lighting where camera-based systems tend to struggle. There's also talk of a newer transmission standard, possibly 06, which would mean better range and steadier video feed in crowded or obstacle-heavy environments. Add in rumored improvements to low-light processing and slightly quieter motors and battery life expected to see a modest, not dramatic, bump over the Mini 5 Pro. None of these headline well individually, but together, they're the difference between trusting a drone in a tricky spot and babysitting it. Based on DJI's release rhythm, with the Mini 3 Pro landing in 2022, the Mini 4 Pro in 2023, and the Mini 5 Pro arriving in September 2025, a reasonable window for the DJI Mini 6 Pro points to late 2026 or into 2027, though DJI's US availability situation could still shift that timeline. Here's the honest take though. If you need a capable drone this month, the Mini 5 Pro is still excellent and nowhere near obsolete. But if you can wait, the combination of that stacked sensor and variable aperture, together, not separately, is the pairing that could turn this into a genuinely professional camera that just happens to be small. So that's where the DJI Mini 6 Pro rumors stand right now. Exciting, but still unconfirmed. Which feature are you hoping turns out to be real? The sensor, the aperture, or the obstacle avoidance? Drop it in the comments. Hit like and subscribe so you're first to know the moment this actually gets locked in. Because if even part of this holds up, the mini drone category is about to look very different.